Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for NIO. The report was first published on our website February 15, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video, we give you the information you need to know about NIO for the upcoming trading day on Wednesday 16th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price-to-earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current NIO performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the NIO stock currently holds a -1.381 score, and our system has ranked NIO sell candidate since February 10, 2022. In this period the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 1.74%. This is an average return of 0.43% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for NIO, our last headline reads, "A very strong day for NIO Incorporated stock price on Tuesday." The NIO Incorporated stock price gained 8.41% on the last trading day, Tuesday, February 15, 2022, rising from $23.79 to $25.79. During the day the stock fluctuated 6.78% from a day low at $24.20 to a day high of $25.84. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 3.82% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 6 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 47 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.21 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $62.14, and the lowest price was $19.31. Right now the price is 58.5%, or $36.35, below 52-week high and 61.5%, or $41.20, below all-time high January 11, 2021 where the price hit $66.99. The NIO Stock Trends, Predictions and Analyst Ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $26.29 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -39.45% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -54.84% and -34.40%. The 12-month trend indicates a -25.42% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -38.61% and 30.58%. This equals a price between $15.83 and $33.68 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Wednesday, January 12, 2022, Macquarie set target to $37.70. On Thursday, December 16, 2021, Deutsche Bank Aktiengesellschaft set target to $70. On Thursday, November 11, 2021, Mizuho set target to $67 to $65. On Thursday, November 11, 2021, Citigroup set target to $70 to $87. From analysts, NIO stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the NIO stock a neutral rating. In this section, we will give you some information about signals found for NIO. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 28, 2022, and so far it has risen 23.4%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The NIO Incorporated stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $27.13. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $24.83. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 13 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 55 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 53 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 57 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 53 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for NIO. NIO Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $24.87, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.64 between high and low, or 6.78%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 6.12%. The stock has a beta of 1.92. This tells us that NIO is 0.92 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for NIO. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. NIO currently has a price-earning ratio of -23.79. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2021 is expected to be released February 28, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are -19 cents. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, NIO meets first resistance at $30.79. If you do not hold NIO shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, NIO finds first level of support at $24.87, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $24.65, $24.26, $23.64. Sell at $25.90, $26.29, $26.92. The average ratings, combined from several analyst sources for NIO, is buy. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is NIO stock a buy? NIO Incorporated holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Wednesday 16th, we expect NIO to open down negative 51 cents and start trading at $25.28. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.